What's up, online shoppers? I am super excited about my new meat chopper that I got from Zulay Kitchen. Now, when I saw this, it was an immediate order because one of my biggest pet peeves is not being able to break up my ground meat nice and fine for sloppy joes, for chili, for tacos. So when I saw this, I was immediately like, I need to have that. Here it is, the beautiful Zulay meat chopper. Now take a look at these really cool paddles right here. There are 5 paddles, and they have a bit of curve to them, and they have a really nice beveled sharp edge on each one of them, so that when I'm pounding the meat, this is literally gonna slice through all those chunks. I can't get broken up. It has a really nice, comfortable silicone grip handle right there, and it's a reasonable height. That means that my hand, even in the pan, isn't gonna be super close to the heat. Now, something else that's pretty cool, they really thought about all ways that you would use this. So yes, you might be doing this, but chances are you're gonna be doing this, right? Well, look at that. The bottom of the handle has that really nice thumb groove, so you can really put some pressure on it, and it fits comfortably in your hand, whether you're holding it this way or this way. Now, I am super excited about this. I am definitely gonna go make some ground beef and put this thing to the test, so you can be guaranteed that I will show you what that looks like as well. Now, something else that's pretty awesome about this, you can put it in the dishwasher. You don't have to worry about treating this gently. It's made of really tough, durable materials, nice hard plastic, nice comfortable silicone grip. This one is gonna go from pan to dishwasher, easy peasy. This Zulay meat chopper is fantastic. It's definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house.